We're testing all our slimes outside, see how good they will do outside. This one's turning liquidy. Sorry, but I'll plop you guys the back. This is our slime. Right now it's horrible because you gotta knead it. I'll show you it when it's kneaded. Okay. Yeah, I have a bunch of slimes. Well, some of my cousins. This is it. You know, this is my milk slime, I think. Yes, my milk slime. I have a couple milk slimes, I think. This is Mr. Squafskin. From where?
But she knows we're not going anywhere.
What happened? Knocked my camera down. Sorry about that.
Yeah, my favorite word.
That's poking. Try to pop it up like this. There we go.
This is my favorite one.
It's like 32 degrees out right now and it's very cold. I have my shorts and tank top.
This is mine.
Now this is Mr. Squafskins. So that's a fluff Squafskins. Yeah. That's getting put up. I'll show you. I'm gonna bring all my slimes up.
Oh my god, I made a bubble. Do you wanna go ride on our bikes?
No, it's too cold. So I'll go like this. You can see it. This is Mrs. Squafskins. This might be a sad slime.
Just say this is LOL.
This is a good one. It's very warm.
LOL.
I love it.
I love LOL.
This is a fluffy slime.
He loves to make bubbles. He loves making bubbles.
I'm all about making swirls. I can make bubbles, I think.
Mr. LOL loves making bubbles because he has an L sound and a bubble is like an O.
I'm horrible doing this in the wind. So I went through. This is a Mr. Squafskins. These two, I think. Yep.
So a bubble is
These two.
that.
Now, is this it? And Squafskins Jr. This is like a milk. Yeah, this is one of my good milk slimes.
That is
It's funny. What? Yeah. It was good because slime's pretty much for tearing, poking, stretching, and squeezing. I'm tearing it. I hate that. I have no tail slimes, just to let you know. Oh, how to make slime? This is just made out of a lot of
This is the way how you
glue,
make do white
a
slime.
little bit of sugar
Glue
cream,
and shaving cream.
and contact solution. That's all you need. Or stay flow or tide. This one's gonna be a vlog, but my next video is gonna be a vlog. Who do you like more, Siri or Alexa?
Or do you
Both
like
full back. Or you can like both. Alexa's more useful. We'll show you Siri first. Hello, my name is Siri.
Alexa? I love Alexa. She
See, looks like a frog leg. This one's a tail.
says
It's not
his
really.
name is Frog. Will
Legs.
Frog. LOL. Frog. LOL.
This is a good slime. It has good poking.
Mine is so good. It's just
It stretches, but it will rip. So that. And the tail. Pretty
That
good.
was my first slime. My favorite.
That was Siri. Now, hey!
This is my second.
So that was Siri. We went through 4 of them. I only have
Oh
5.
God, no. This is ew. Gross.
Ew.
I know, ew.
We went through all these. Ah! Concussion.
Ew. Oh my God, ew. This was
Siri
my favorite.
and Alexa, like all the leftovers that I actually have on my hands, like this, like from bad slime. If we get stuff on my hands like this, I'll take Alexa out and go.
Guys, I'm
You
so
just
excited.
mix it
This is
in.
my dad's slime. It's gross.
Oh, I'll mess with it.
Gross. So gross. So you guys can feel that. I don't
I'll
know.
fix this slime up.
I don't know what this really feels.
Ew, it's liquid. Dump it out. Did you guys hear that? Hopefully you did. Like a bunch of liquid just poured out.
But this was my so favorite. But now it's like poo.
So, look,
This is called poo.
we're getting it all mixed up.
Diarrhea poo.
There we go. We have contacts right here.
Okay, yes, I need this.
You can get them at Miles, Walmart, Walgreens, a lot of places.
You can get these anywhere,
There you go. Except dollar stores.
but you can't get it at the Dollar Tree, but you can get it
Do I need Alexa?
at Dollar Tree.
No clue what just happened.
Oh, you can't get it at the Dollar Store either,
There we
because
go.
all it's about is
Things for $1.
like baby stuff, and that stuff is not for $1. That stuff is like for like.
They'll squash it. Let me see all the bad sounds. I'll fix them.
I didn't.
This is just like Alexa. Oh, that's cold.
Was that a summer wide?
Yeah, that was mine too. No, it wasn't. Well, a lid. One of the lids are mine.
Hey, what's mine?
This one's good, but it's not stretchy. It's windy.
It's cold. It's like wind.
Ow!
It's windy today.
It's cold.
I
Okay, we're gonna move back inside. Because it is getting too cold. Okay, it's about to.
Do you have one of my slimes?
Yes, I just don't know. Where's your phone?
My phone is going with me. I can't zip that.
I don't know why. My skin very dry. Okay, I'm going this way.
Wait, the
No,
door's
no,
locked.
no, it's not. I could cut my finger off right now.
I didn't know.
I'm gonna go back to Bella's room. So we're going back here. This is her room. It's all the vlog today. Yeah. Look at that. That's not right. We're gonna actually eat it. Before.
Get mine.
Mine. Down to mine. And contact solution.
What's all mine? I got LOL. I got LOL. Yes, LOL. But what do you call mine?
Squash it.
Huh?
Squash it.
Purple. And squash it is wide.
Yeah, squash it.
Squash. Bella squash it.
There we go.
And that's all of wide. I'm making a video.
That's all we're gonna be doing today. I'll just let that warm up.
I'm gonna face that.
That's all we're gonna be doing today.
So today we have let's see, green.
We went through 5 slimes by the lighting for us.
And I'm gonna
I can't see. That's the slimes we have. Taller than my friend. So make sure to like and subscribe. Follow her channel. Bella, Bella family, Kenzie family. You know the gang.